taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from.
Good morning! Welcome sa aming kusina! Welcome to our channel. Gagawa pa ako ng pancake. Good morning guys! Welcome to our channel. I'm gonna make a pancake today. Okay, this is the recipe. Flour, salt, egg, and milk. Okay guys, I mixed everything, the milk, flour, and salt, and egg, and mixed together, and gonna be like this. Another one. You guys, make sure it's very low heat so it's not burned, okay? Okay, this is the pan, and then okay. Another 1 spoon. Okay. That's amazing. Okay, guys. Look at that. Amazing. Yeah. Look at that. I just turn around and then it's gonna be like this. Okay guys, look at this amazing pancake. Look at that. Okay people. Meron tayong, we have icing sugar and red berry, we have strawberry, and we have banana. Oh sorry, banana. So guys, I'm gonna put for decoration, okay? Lagyan lang natin siya dyan. That's amazing. Look at this. It's so cool. Look delicious. This is good for you kids. Amazing. Amazing breakfast. Tea. Lunch. Okay, people. Look at this. Fantastic, isn't it? So guys, that's amazing, wonderful. The color is beautiful. Okay, amazing. Okay. Okay guys. Okay people, lagyan natin siya ng sauce. That's amazing, yeah? Wow, fantastic. A little bit icing sugar on top. It's snowing, huh? Love delicious, people. Amazing, guys. Look at this, guys. Hi guys, look at that, my delicious pancake. Amazing people, amazing. Look at that. Wow. Sana pa nagustuhan nyo ang aking pancake today. Amazing. Look delicious. Good for everyone. And please subscribe and like. The recipe is under the video, so you can have a look and try your home, guys. And good for family. And the kitchen we are fire. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Love you all. God bless. Bye. See you on our next video. Thank you. Bye now. Mwah, mwah.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from